If you want to request a refund on Temu and keep things simple, I'll walk you through how the process works step by step. First, open the Temu app and go to your profile. Tap on your orders, then find the item you want to request a refund for. Once you're inside the order, tap on Return or Refund. From here, select the item and choose your reason. Make sure to pick the option that best matches your experience. This helps speed up the process. Next, choose your refund method. You'll usually see options like refund to your original payment method or Temu credits, which are often processed faster. Now, here's the important part. After submitting your request, Temu will review it and show you the next steps. In some cases, depending on the order, item type, or situation, you may be given a resolution right away without needing extra steps. Some users have reported getting quick refunds, sometimes even within the day, especially for certain cases like damaged or low value items. To improve your chances, make sure your request is clear and accurate, and check your app regularly for updates or notifications about your refund status. You can also track everything by going back to your orders and checking the refund progress directly. And that's it. Just follow these steps and you'll be able to request your refund smoothly inside the app.